I have my Eachine Miss Helen 500mm Wingspan 2S brushless warbird out here. I've been searching for another 5x5 two-blade prop that I can use on this plane, because the one that I have been flying it with, I just can't find anymore. So I'm looking for a replacement that is in stock and readily available. So this is an HQ 5x5 two-blade prop. So I want to put it in the air. I've got my timer set for 5 minutes rather than 6 minutes, because I don't know if this will be as efficient as my other 5x5 prop, which gives me 7 minutes of flight time. But we will see. I've got it in fully stabilized mode for launch. Make sure we're working here. Alright. Launching. Alright, so let's gain a little bit of altitude and put it into full manual mode. It's been a while since I have flown this. Alright, we are now in full manual mode. And I'm going to be a little rusty. Let's see here. Oh, well, there's a big loop. Oh man, that was a huge loop. I don't know if I got that in frame. Okay, well, the loops look really good. Let's see. It looks like it's pulling vertical pretty well. The rolls to the left look pretty snappy. Rolls to the right look pretty snappy. Yeah, it looks to me. Yeah, that was a big loop. It looks to me like it's got just as good performance as I remember on the other 5x5 prop. It seems like it's pulling it through the air pretty quickly. Looking at the speed of the rolls, it definitely has a good vertical climb to it. It definitely is able to pull some big wide loops, just like it was with the other 5x5 prop. So I think the performance looks very, very similar. Yeah, look at that. That was huge. The performance looks very, very similar. So now the question is, will it be as efficient as the 5x5 prop that I have been using? Alright, before my camera shuts down on me again, it looks like these batteries are not liking the temperature out here today. Keep shutting down on me. But anyway, the amount of performance and the amount of flight time that I'm getting from this 5x5 two-blade prop seems to be on par with the other 5x5 two-blade prop that I was using. Only this one is readily available. You can find it. It's in stock. There will be links to it in the show notes, along with the prop adapter that I use to be able to mount these different props on this P51 Mustang. Alright, for those of you who have the XK-A280 P51 Mustang and took my advice on switching out the stock prop and putting a 7x5 two-blade prop on it and seeing the difference in performance, you know what I'm talking about, right? Well, there's a similar difference in performance with the 5x5 prop on this plane compared to its stock prop. So it's an easy solution to be able to get much better performance out of this plane. Alright, and that 5x5 prop is it. So links to it are in the show notes. Links to the adapter are in the show notes. This prop is readily available, and it is in stock. Grab them while they're available. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time in the TinkerzLab.